Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to open a Schwab retirement account. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Whether you're saving for retirement for the first time or looking to grow your long-term investments, Charles Schwab offers several retirement account options, including traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs. To get started, visit the Schwab website and navigate to the Retirement Accounts section. Here, you'll find information about the different retirement account options available. Review the account types and select the one that best fits your retirement goals and financial situation. Once you've chosen the retirement account you want to open, click the Open an Account button to begin the application process. Schwab will then ask whether you're an existing client or a new customer. If you already have a Schwab account, simply sign in using your username and password to continue. If you're new to Schwab, select the option to create a new account. You'll be asked to provide personal information such as your full name, date of birth, social security number, email address, phone number, and residential address. This information is used to verify your identity and establish your account. After entering your personal details, you'll be asked to provide regulatory information. This section is used to comply with financial industry regulations and may include questions about your citizenship status, tax residency, employment in the financial industry, affiliations with stock exchanges or brokerage firms, and whether you are a politically exposed person or associated with a public company. Answer these questions accurately, as they help Schwab verify your eligibility and comply with regulatory requirements. Next, you'll move to the Features section. Here, Schwab may present optional account features and services that you can add to your retirement account. Depending on the account type, these options may include electronic document delivery, beneficiary designations, account alerts, cash management features, or other account preferences. Review the available options and select the features that best fit your needs. After completing the required sections, you'll arrive at the Review page. This is where you'll have the opportunity to carefully examine all the information you've entered throughout the application. Make sure your personal details, regulatory information, account selections, and preferences are accurate before proceeding. Finally, you'll reach the Agreements section. Here, Schwab will provide important account disclosures, terms and conditions, privacy policies, and other legal documents related to your retirement account. Take the time to read through these documents, then provide the required acknowledgements and electronic signatures to complete the application. Once you've submitted the application, Schwab will review your information and, if approved, your retirement account will be opened and ready to fund. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA. And most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.